And you can see the vineyard up there, all up in there. I believe that's the vineyard. They were left behind by the Spanish when they had the Spanish-Mexican War. And the gardener kind of saved all of them here and kept them up. So that's why they still have them then. Okay.
Come out with a
bunch.
The grapes.
Yeah. The grapes going to come out of there. Okay.
Como les comento, se deja una distancia de un puño por cada yema, que es donde van a salir los.
The distance between them is like a hand.
Yes.
About 3 to 4 fingers, depending on the size of your hand. Maybe 2 fingers.
Esto se va dejando para esto que ven aquí son yemas, aquí van a crecer más cargadores.
Okay, those are buns.
Ya depende de los meses de cada etiqueta, ¿no? Ya al final ya es donde se hace la mezcla. Igual pasamos a tanque. En tanque pues ya pasa por otro proceso que se llama clarificación. Después del clarificado ya lo pasaban por filtro.
Okay, after the barrels where they make the mixtures, they put it back here for filtración.
Claro.
Filtration, and then put back in y los vuelves a la botella. ¿Qué haces con las cáscaras?
Lo regresamos al terreno, a las tierras como
So the barrels are in here. Wow. Oh, you can smell it in here, yeah. Oh, the barrels in here. Yeah.
Y el otro lado ya están pues los
American oak.
Bien, damas y caballeros, su atención por favor.
Well, we're doing the wine tasting. We just had the white wine
En el
here,
segundo
so
trago van a
yeah,
descubrir
it was actually pretty good, the Chardonnay. So I'm not used to white wine, but it was pretty good. We got the guy in back of us here, mostly in Spanish, and then a guy down the table from us, translating most of it to English. But I just want to taste the wine. You don't have to give me a half-hour explanation on each one. Okay. Okay, it's good. That's good. Gracias. Okay, we got a rosé here. We're going to test this out here. They're pouring it down the table. Okay.
There's a little face carved into it.
Yeah, they actually make these to go on top of the wine bottle. There's actually a little face carved into the piece of wood. It's a little dark here, hard to see, but the kids make these and make a little money off of that to put on the wine bottles here. Very neat, very neat. Gracias.
Miren, deben de saber, ojo.
Ah, this is the good stuff. Yeah, yeah. Okay. Gracias. Okay, there we go. We got this one here. It's a little bit of a blend. Not all Cabernet. It's got some other stuff in it there, but not the strongest, I don't think.
Así es. Una persona mayor que le faltan muchas piezas y una persona joven que solo le falta una. Aún así la persona mayor le está entregando una pieza a esta persona joven. Pues bien, aquí tenemos, esta etiqueta fue un regalo del hijo de don Roberto, para don Roberto, de Bernardo Valderrama, para su papá, por el legado que le está entregando en vida, ¿no? Muchos años de trabajo, y esa etiqueta fue un regalo en agradecimiento por ese legado que le entregó tantos años. Aquí tenemos una mezcla de Cabernet Sauvignon, tenemos Merlot, 90% Cabernet Sauvignon, 5% Merlot, 5% Cabernet.
Oh, because it fits in that little hole.
32 meses en barrica francesa.
Like at the last part, see for the younger people, the old people give you the younger
Okay. Oh, this is the good one here. Yeah, it's very good. Thank you.
En ese hotel, si ustedes lo visitan en Los Mochis, se van a encontrar con muchas fotografías.
This one here is the Legato, the almost all Cabernet Sauvignon. And I think I'm going to like this one because I'm going to try a little bit of the Cabernet Sauvignon right now. I think it's pretty good. It's got a good ruby color to it here. So let's take a little taste.
Se utiliza mucho.
It's good. It's good. I like it. I like it there. Yeah. It's nice. All right. Sorry, I have to lean back on my bifocals to see the screen. That's why I'm always leaning back. If I look this way, it's a little blurry for me. But you guys know what I mean here. All right. And one man, have a little wine tasting here in Mexico. What can I say?